Expo 2020.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthi iNingizimu Afrika ijabule ngokuba ingxenye yale ngqungquthela ngoba kuningi okungazuzwa amazwe ehlukene ngayo.
South Africa is truly excited and honored to be part of Expo 2020, where there is a clear exhibit of unbelievable and numerous opportunities for business to business, people to people contact, and investment exchanges. Our country's theme, Think South Africa, Think Opportunity, is on full display at the South African Pavilion and on the virtual pavilion as well.
Umengameli wezwe uthi amazwe azosebenzisana nelakuleli azozuza lukhulu okufaka phakathi nasemkhakheni wezokuvakasha.
We have highlighted opportunities for trade, investment and tourism, enabling South African companies to exhibit their products and engage with prospective customers, international buyers as well as investors.
Ubese balula lezo zinto ezimqoka athi izwe ligabe ngazo kanti zingaba usizo olukhulu kwamanye amazwe.
From across our 9 provinces, there have been installations on music, dance, poetry, storytelling, theater, film, design, fine arts and fashion.
Umengameli wezwe uthi okuhle ngeNingizimu Afrika ukuthi sebenzisa uhlelo lwe-internet uma ngabe ihwebelana namanye amazwe.
We are also excited that an e-commerce marketing place has been activated to give customers direct access to products that are produced in South Africa.
Uthi amazwe afisa ukusebenzisana neNingizimu Afrika angabi netwetwe. Isezingeni eliphezulu kakhulu ingqalasizinda ethinta ubuchwepheshe besimanje kulelizwe.
We have a strong and well-regulated financial, banking and taxation system. We also have world-class IT infrastructure that is attracting global companies to set root in South Africa.
Lengqungquthela izophuthulwa ngolwesine kanti empeleni kwakumele iqale ngomfumfa ngo2020 bese iphuthulwa ngombasa wanyakenye kepha ke kwaphazabisa ukubheduka kweCovid-19 namazwe abhekene ngeziqu zamehlo okuyiRussia kanye neUkraine akhona kule ngqungquthela. Isiqubulo sakulonyaka sithi Connecting Minds, Creating Future.
We congratulate you, we honor you, and we thank you for making us part of this unbelievable expo, and thank you very much indeed.
Ningu Calvin Dludla, wezindaba ze SABC.